In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change return address in Shopify. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to update the address that appears as your ship from and return address on shipping labels generated through Shopify. Make sure you're signed into your Shopify admin with permission to manage settings and locations. From your Shopify admin dashboard, go to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all your store configuration, and it's the fastest way to get to the addresses used for fulfillment and returns. Inside Settings, select Locations from the left-hand panel. Locations represent the places you stock and ship inventory from, such as a warehouse, office, or retail store. And Shopify uses the address on the location you fulfill from as the return address on labels. In the Locations page, look for the All Locations area and click the specific location you use for shipping. If you ship from more than one place, you'll want to update each ship from location individually so every package shows the right return address. You are now in the editor for that location. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Location Details. Scroll to the bottom of that section and click the address. This opens a pop-up where you can edit the full address details for this location. Carefully update the fields, including country or region, street address, apartment or suite if applicable, postal code, city, and state or province. Enter the address exactly as recognized by local carriers to prevent delivery and return issues. Include any suite or unit numbers and double-check the postal code formatting for your region. Consistency matters here. This is the address carriers will use for returns if a package can't be delivered. When everything looks correct, click Save in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. If Save is disabled or you see an error, it usually means a required field is missing or formatted incorrectly. Fix that and try again. Once saved, the new location address will be used on shipping labels for orders fulfilled from this location going forward. It won't change labels you've already purchased, so make sure to update before you create new labels if you've recently moved or need to switch the address. A quick recap. Open Settings, go to Locations, choose the location you ship from, edit the address in Location Details, and save. If you fulfill from multiple locations, repeat this for each one. That's all you need to keep your return address accurate and your shipping operations running smoothly.